Mission selected. Your chariot awaits, gentlemen. Move out.
Get on board! We're about to leave!
Rock and stone!
Lock sequence initiating. Fasten your seatbelts.
Boy, is this so fun! I'm really not ready for this!
Onboard entertainment sucks.
By the beard!
Time to collect your paycheck!
This is a simple mining mission. Deposit your quota of Morkite into the mule, and we'll send a drop pod to get you out. Good luck.
Rock really need to provide some better equipment. It's overheated. Zip line ready. It's overheated. Rubbish equipment.
Skull Crusher! Lift with your legs!
Lloyd!
Way ahead is blocked! Bam! Barnacle down!
Molly, come here.
Ceiling clean! Barnacle down! Chill factor.
Donkey, come here.
Stop shooting me!
beardless blunderbuss.
Be gone!
We gotta locate and destroy the brute nexus or we will have Glyphid spawns on our tail forever.
I got the Praetorian!
Marker up!
Ah!
Deposit time! Everyone,
Not hit to the dead,
Not again.
That guy is mission control. He really has a chaotic job.
I can't carry anymore.
Glyphid spawns here. There must be a brute nexus nearby.
Glyphid spawns! Let's find and destroy the brute nexus hatching them.
Let's clear them out! Fire grenade!
Can't carry anymore.
Scanners just picked up a horde of agitated Glyphid swarmers. Guess you woke them up. Get ready.
can't carry anymore!
Tell me again, why was it that we needed to kill the barnacle?
Rocks and stones may break my bones, but
The swarmers are here.
never hurt me.
Time for
Gee,
my volley!
I'm feeling poetic today. There's one more car!
All good things come to those who wait. Like dual flamethrower. Here! Attack! Hot shot! We're here to shoot the ones without
Friendlies! Friendlies! Exhausting spawn!
these suckers.
The last of the wave is approaching you now. Keep it together.
Let there be noise!
Beardo!
Unsafe!
Points given for shooting your teammates!
We need to dig here.
I hate nature. Hey, remind me never to turn my back on you.
I need a damn icon on this. Where is it?
I got a barnacle.
No, the flares are recharging! Come here!
Just take your sweet time, old lady. I've got all
Be
day.
gone!
feeling
Yeah,
much
give me
better
some
now.
sugar. Out of ammo! Yeah!
I ordered a resupply.
Nitro's been withdrawn and supply pod is inbound.
Guys, are you blind? Look over here. Resupply pod is here. Everybody collect ammunition.
Getting supplies!
I'm taking some of the ammo. Getting more
Grabbing
ammo.
ammo.
This is a friggin' hellhole.
Where is it?
Stop them dead! I got a barnacle!
I'm not scared of you! Molly!
Barnacle eliminated.
Flares up!
Let's show them some
Lighting up!
pain.
A barnacle removed.
Secondary objective completed. Fine job.
I'm full. Where's Smalley? I got the deposit. I feel organized. Oh
This
yeah.
is where you empty your canister when you're fully loaded. Pow!
Time to pay Molly a visit. Depositing!
Ludicrous speed.
Objective completed. Press the button on the mule when you're ready. We'll send the drop pod to get you out. Brakes over, miners. Swarm headed directly for you.
Tell me again, why was it that we needed to kill the barnacles?
Wally is on the way.
The swarm is upon you.
Molly, over here!
Good work. Sending in the drop pod.
Another day at the office. You bungling son of a mud golem! We're on the same team!
Drop pod arrived. Mule is returning to LZ. Drop pod departing in T-minus 5 minutes. Supply pod launched. Better stand back.
Don't waste your ammunition! Shields placed.
You interplanetary goat!
I'm taking some of the ammo. Never been better.
I'm your friend! Let's keep it.
Fighting!
in T-minus 4 minutes.
Please hurry! Oh, yeah. Oh, better hurry! To blow! Need more ammo.
Ammo taken.
Find something!
Chill.
That's all you got, you
Drop pod departing in T-minus 3 minutes.
Yeah! Things about to blow up! Stand no ammo left! Water!
Departing in T-minus 2 minutes. The mule's been successfully retrieved. Make it snappy, team. The drop pod won't hang around forever. Drop pod departing in T-minus 1 minute.
We better hurry! Bring it, Beckers!
Drop pod departing in 30 seconds. Seconds to take off. 3, 2, 1, heading for orbit.
Damn it!
Extraction commencing. Good work.
Move it! No! Let's get back to work.
reminds me of my first love.
You boys better be better.
I need a round of oily oafs, ice cold and foamy. Long